Prepare to be captivated by a breathtaking fusion of modern elegance and avant-garde design. This collection redefines bridal and formal wear, showcasing stunning jumpsuits with dramatic, flowing trains that command attention. Each piece is a testament to unique artistry, featuring bold structural elements, exquisite embellishments, and unexpected silhouettes. Discover the beauty of contemporary sophistication and truly distinctive style that pushes boundaries. Several common elements stand out, creating a cohesive and striking aesthetic. White color palette. All the outfits are predominantly, if not entirely, white. This gives them a clean, elegant, and often bridal or formal appearance. Jumpsuit silhouette. A defining feature is the use of jumpsuits as the base garment. These are tailored, full-length or ankle-length trousers combined with a fitted or flowing bodice. Detachable or integrated trains. Almost every jumpsuit features a dramatic, long train. In some cases, it appears to be an extension of the back of the top or waist, while in others, it might be detachable or an overlay. These trains add significant drama and grandeur. Open or low backs. Several designs incorporate a striking open or deeply scooped back, adding a touch of sensuality and modern elegance. Large, sculptural headpieces, often floral. A prominent accessory across many looks is a large, often sheer or organza, sculptural headpiece, frequently designed to resemble an oversized flower, like a magnolia or orchid. This adds a high-fashion, avant-garde touch. Clean lines and minimalist fabric. The primary fabric appears to be a smooth, substantial material, likely crepe or a similar matte satin, that drapes beautifully, emphasizing the clean lines and modern cut of the garments. There's a focus on structure and silhouette rather than busy embellishments on the main body of the jumpsuit. Accentuated shoulders, necklines. Some outfits feature unique necklines or shoulder details, such as one-shoulder designs or large, soft ruffles, folds that frame the face or shoulder. Pockets. Interestingly, several of the jumpsuits subtly feature functional pockets, adding a modern, relaxed, and practical element to the formal wear. These elements combine to create a collection that is simultaneously avant-garde, elegant, and modern, offering a distinctive alternative to traditional formal wear.